25 fascinating did you know? Facts about Bosnia and Herzegovina's geography. Bosnia and Herzegovina is almost entirely landlocked except for a tiny 20 kilometers coastline along the Adriatic Sea, making it one of the world's shortest coastlines. Its territory is often compared to a right triangle with the hypotenuse stretching northwest to southeast. This shape is reflected in the national flag's design. The country is divided into two main regions, Bosnia to the north, characterized by mountains and thick forests, and Herzegovina to the south, with a Mediterranean climate and rugged terrain. On average, Bosnia and Herzegovina sits at an altitude of 625 m, ranking among Europe's most hypsometrically elevated countries. The landscape is dominated by the dramatic Dinaric Alps, which run in a northwest-southeast direction across the country. Bosnia and Herzegovina's highest peak is Maglić at 2,386 m, located on the border with Montenegro. Karst landscapes, arid plateaus of limestone with underground rivers, caves and sinkholes, cover nearly 35% of the country. The region of Herzegovina is especially noted for its karst topography, featuring dramatic underground drainage systems. There are several mountains above 2,000 m, including Volujac, Zelengora, Lilia, Bjelasnica, and Prenja. Earthquakes are not uncommon due to the region's tectonic activity. A 1969 quake destroyed 70% of buildings in Banja Luka. Nearly 50% of Bosnia and Herzegovina is covered by forests, especially in central, eastern and western Bosnia. Sutjeska National Park houses Perusica, one of the last remaining primeval forests in Europe. The country's natural resources are significant: forests, hydropower, coal, iron ore, bauxite and more. The country is a land of rivers, with the Sava forming the northern border and draining into the Danube, ultimately reaching the Black Sea. The Neretva, the only major river to flow south, drains into the Adriatic Sea and is vital for Herzegovina. Bosnia takes its name from the Bosna River, which runs through central Bosnia. Major rivers also include the Una, Sana, Vrbas, and Drina, many of which form natural borders or carve out fertile valleys. The region is rich in beautiful waterfalls, with one reaching over 300 m high. The northern Sava River Valley is flatter and contains the most fertile soils, part of the larger Pannonian Plain. Elevations over 1,800 m, 6,000 feet, are common, and plateaus descend abruptly towards the Adriatic. Between mountain ridges are depressions called poljes, covered with alluvial soil ideal for agriculture. The country experiences a variety of climates, continental in the interior with hot summers and cold winters, but Mediterranean along the south and coast. Bosnia and Herzegovina's borders are defined by natural features, especially rivers and mountains. Its coastline, centered on the town of Neum, allows it access to the Adriatic, despite being nearly surrounded by Croatia. The country's average elevation and rugged terrain have historically shaped trade, transportation, and settlement patterns. Bordering three countries, Croatia, 932 kilometers, Serbia, 302 to 375 kilometers, and Montenegro, 225 to 249 kilometers, gives Bosnia regional significance as a crossroads of the Balkans. The Dinaric mountain system to which its mountains belong is part of the active Mediterranean Alpide belt, making the region seismically dynamic. These fascinating features make Bosnia and Herzegovina a geographic marvel of the Balkans, with its dramatic mountain backdrops, mysterious limestone caves, and a rich tapestry of rivers and forests.